This is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Hyundai i30, stock number 6634. It's ran from the 8th 2013 to the 2nd 2017. It's a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door 1 crease, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand taillight, rear boot lid no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front heater light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,